How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. In the last episode, we defeated the 5 element masters in the element tower, and we're gonna take on the 6th one. Flag. I am Flag, the flying type element master. Get ready to witness the elegant choreography of us. Okay. 6 leader Flag. Well, are you kidding me? Ha. This is why Pelipper effing sucks. Thunderbolt! Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Yes, we snapped out and bye bye Pelipper. Yes, bye bye Pelipper. Charizard. Thunderbolt. Flamethrower. Nice. Thank God they didn't use healing items. With a good team you can do anything. Return, I forgot about it. I forgot about the bones. The blood in my bones. Ooh. Combined special attack and special defense. Cotton Spore, no problem. I don't need to outspeed your Pokemon to KO you because I'm bulky enough. Cotton Spore, you threw the game very hard. Drill Peck, Ice Beam, bye bye. Altaria, I think, yeah, Altaria, anything stupid. Ice. What is the deal with you, dude? Statusing me? F you. Shadow Ball, don't do that much. Yes, nice. Shadow Ball is a physical move in this gen. Thank God. They doesn't have the physical and special spirit. And Pidgeot, yeah, they are outspeeding me. Right, left. Ice Beam, bye bye Pidgeot. We wasted 2 minutes on this guy. Manthe, Ice Curse. Your defense boost is not gonna help you, right? Yeah, you don't even have recover or roost. And bye bye. So I'm gonna heal up. Our elegant dance is finished. Your devotion brought you to victory. Okay. Looks like next one is going to be steel type. Okay guys, I healed up and I'm going for the bug type. Okay. What a sudden surprise. But you just choose and set up for against me. Thanks for your insane setup. Protect again, nice. So I think +4 is enough for these bugs. Aerialess. Boomy is gonna break you, dude. Boomy is the king and the queen. Brick break. A cursor, no problemo. I'll go for brick break again and KO. Don't yaffle with Shackle, they would say, but I would say yaffle with Shackle. It's gonna help. Return, bye bye Parasect. Level 56. Nice. Pinsir, bye. So we defeated 7. Brick break, bye bye Caesar. One of Adrian's favorite Pokemon. And Armaldo, brick break. Bye bye Armaldo. And we defeated this guy with just Boomy. The reason why I lost is not because bugs are weak. On the contrary, bugs are the best. On the contrary, remember your. So looks like next one is going to be steel. You know what? I'm not even gonna heal her. Poison type, nice. I forgot to heal a Frieza though. No problem. A true trainer doesn't need legendaries to win. Am I right? This is the 8th one. Don't. I'm gonna defeat you before I run. Should have gone for undersolutions. Yeah, shit. And remember my rules. Cannot use items in battle. Sludge bomb. Yeah, it's not very effective. Will you grow? Yes. 69 HP, nice. like always. We are going to be busted. I think we're going to defeat 2 Pokemon of him, or else it'd be out. Venus Supreme. Yeah, I have Azula with Psychic. Yeah, Command and Sludge Bomb. Don't do that much. Don't do that much. You would poison me though. I have leftovers. Okay. I thought for a second. I gave leftovers. Why is my Pechaberry activating? Okay. 50 to Azula. I never grinded this thing up. Yeah. Leftovers. Psychic. Bye bye Sabaipat. We defeated 8 of them on 15 minutes. Sorry. 109 to 120. 11. Okay. The poison is doing more. And we killed the Weezing. So, next one. I want to say the word, but I said so many cursed words on the Battle Shop one because my friends are irritating me on that one. For now, I'm gonna say Reverse Smack. If you won't kill this, yes. 25, nice. Leftovers. Crobat. You crazy son of a. Psych. Oh, that thing with Sludge Bomb in Gen 3 is so good. We never used Falcon. Ironic. We cleared it. I'm gonna heal up for the next one. What extraordinary. So you mix Brawn with Brain. Good strategy. That's a remarkable thing. And Rock type. I'm gonna... You know what? I'm feeling kinda ballsy here. I'm not even gonna heal up. So let's see. Rock type. Forgot to read the dialogue. I wasn't paying attention. Leader Boden though. Lunaton. Calm mind. We have only 4 serves. Psychic. Don't do that much. Don't do that much. Yes. Calm mind. I should have given Suicune the leftovers. I'll probably switch that for in the next. This always sucks. I will get a free opportunity to set up for the next turn, but we are definitely gonna lose this challenge because I don't have any ether, so PP is going to be a problem. Wait, I forgot that we can heal up 2 times. Should have done that. This is the 9th one, right? Suicune grow to level 68. Aerodactyl. We have to struggle though. How many Pokemon do you have? 2. I have only 1. Let's go for Falcon. Please go for UQ. Please go for UQ. Yes. I'm just gonna go for Spikes for the next Pokemon. Rock Slide. Don't do that much. Crit sucks. Spikes. I think 2 is enough. Toxic. Should have gone for Spikes. Toxic though. Now. Rock Slide. Don't get KO'd. Don't get KO'd. Yes. Nice. Now I'm gonna stall you. I hate stall ones, but if that is the only thing that can help you in battles, go for it. No problem. Don't it's not a shame. If you are only my channel viewer, you know how I hate stall, or maybe you don't know. I don't know if you do. You know what? I'm just gonna shut my mouth. 11. Yeah, protect. I just need to use Toxic on the next Pokemon. That will just guarantee me a win, yes. And Tyranitar, nice. Don't outspeed me. Though we lost because of my stupidity. Also guys, when I defeat this guys, he's getting RNG'd. but we lost. Also, guys, when I came back. Nice! Okay, guys, I am back again, and let's defeat him this time. I'm gonna just set up. Yeah, calm mind every time. Calm mind. I have only 5 PP for that move. Oh, okay, should have gone for another. But I have only 5 PP for surf. But I could easily replace it with waterfall next time. And Mechago surf. Don't have protect. Don't have protect. You have protect on golem, but you're not gonna use it because you suck. And we defeated this guy, and we defeated 9 of them, and that's what's episode, guys. Also, guys, in the next episode, let's play Pokemon Mythic Legends. This is going to be a fighting type. Peace.